Hello dear students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Education World. Okay dear students, in this class I will explain the question number 9 and 10 from the chapter Coordinate Geometry exercise 7.1. Okay, question number 9 is if q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6. Find the value of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. What we have to find here? Here we have to find the first value of x. After finding the value of x, then we have to find the distance QR and PR. Okay dear students, I will solve this problem. Solution. What data has given that you write down first. First p value. What's the p value? P equal to 5, minus 3. Q value is 0, 1 and R value is x, 6. Okay. Now, first find the distance between the point P and Q. Write the distance formula. PQ equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Now substitute this value in this formula. PQ equal to, okay, x2 value is how much? 0. x1 value is 5. Substitute. Whole square. y2 value is 1. y1 value is minus 3. Whole square. Then PQ equal to root of 0 minus 5, how much you will get? Minus 5 whole square. 1 minus 2 minus plus 3 whole square. Okay. Then root of 5 square value 25. 1 plus 3 will get here 4. 4 square value is 16. Then add these two numbers 25 plus 16. When you will add 25 plus 16, how much you will get? Root 41. Then PQ equal to root 41. Consider this as equation number 1. Okay dear students. Now we have to find the distance QR. What are the Q point here? 0, 1. R is x, 6. Consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now find the distance QR. Directly you can substitute this value in the distance formula. x2 minus x1. x2 means here x. x1 means 0 whole square. y2 means 6. y1 means 1 whole square. Okay. Next. QR equal to root of x minus 0 will get here x square plus 6 minus 7, how much will get? 5 whole square. Then QR equal to, you can write x square plus 25. Consider this as equation number 2. Okay. In question they have mentioned that Q is equidistant from the point P and R. So we can write equation 1 equal to equation 2. Equation 1 is PQ and equation 2 is QR. Now substitute the value of equation 1 and equation 2 here. What are the PQ value? PQ equal to root 41. Substitute here. Then QR value is QR equal to root of x square plus 25. Okay. Square root get cancelled. Write down here. 41 equal to x square plus 25. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. So send this 25 to this side, it will become minus 25. 41 minus 25 equal to x square. Okay, subtract this. 41 minus 25, how much you will get? You will get here 16. 16 equal to x square. Root 16 equal to x. Then what is the value of x? 16 is a perfect square root of 4. Then x equal to, x value is 4. Okay dear students, are you following? What is the value of x? X value you got here 4. Okay. Now what we have to find? Question they have told that we have to find the distance QR and PR. Okay. Now calculate the distance QR and PR. q value is how much? In question only given that is 0, 1. R value is x, 6. In place of x we can substitute 4. R value is 4, 6, and in place of x we have to substitute here 4. Why? Already we calculated the x value. Now calculate the distance QR. Okay, substitute this value in distance formula. Consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means 4, x1 means 0. y2 means 6 and y1 means 1. Okay. Then QR equal to root of 4 square. 6 minus 1 how much will get? 5 square. Okay. Root 4 square value how much? Sorry, 4 square value 16. 5 square value 25. Add these two numbers. QR equal to 16 plus 25 how much will get? 41. We got QR value is 41. Okay. Even PQ value also 41. From this we conclude that PQ is exactly equidistant from QR. Why? Because PQ equal to root 41 and QR equal to root 41. Now what we have to find? We have to find the distance P and R. PR distance we have to find. What are the P points? 5, minus 3. And R value is 4, 6. Consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Now directly substituting this value in distance formula. PR equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means 4, x1 means 5. 4 minus 5 whole square. Okay. y2 means 6, y1 means 1, y1 means minus 3 whole square. PR equal to root of 4 minus 5 how much will get? You will get minus 1 whole square. 6 as it is, minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Okay. 1 square value 1. 6 plus 2 how much will get? 6, 7, 8, 9 you will get. Write down here 9 square. Okay. PR equal to root of 1 plus 9 square value is 81. Then PR value is root 82. We got the PQ value is root 41, QR value is root 41 and PR value is root 82. Okay dear students, are you understood this problem? Okay. Now we will go for next 10th problem. Next problem is find the relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Okay dear students, what we have to find? We have to find the relation between the points x, y, 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Okay, write down now. Consider A as x, y and the point B as 3, 6 and C as minus 3, 4. Now substitute the distance formula, calculate the AB distance and AC distance. AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Now calculate the AB distance. AB equal to root of, substitute the x2 and x1 value here. x2 value is 3 and x1 value is x whole square. y2 value is 6, y1 value is y whole square. Okay, now consider this as equation number 1. Later we will simplify that. Now calculate the CA distance. Now AC distance you have to calculate. The point A value is x, y and C value is minus 3, 4. Okay, now substitute the distance formula. AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. AC equal to root of x2 value is minus 3. x1 value is x whole square y2 value is 4 and y1 value is y whole square. Okay, now consider this as equation number 2. Now we can write equation 1 equal to equation 2. Why? In question only they have mentioned that the point xy is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Hence we can write the equation 1 equal to equation 2. What are the equation 1? Equation value is AB distance and equation 2 is AC. Hence we can write AB equal to AC. Okay. Now we return the equation 1 is equal to equation 2 where AB is equal to AC. What is equation number 1? Equation number 1 value is root of 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equation number 1. Okay. Now equation number 2, AC value substitute. AC is equal to minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. Okay. Square root get cancelled. Now we have to simplify this. 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square equal to minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. Here everywhere it is like the formula a minus b whole square. Okay, we have to simplify by using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, all this term, this and this and this, we have to simplify all this term according to formula a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, here a is consider 3. 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x. Okay, now plus here a is 6, b is y. 6 square plus y square minus 2 into 6 into y. Okay, equal to, now this term you have to simplify. Same formula you have to substitute. Which formula? A minus b whole square. Here a means minus 3, b means x. Simplify it. Minus 3 whole square plus x square minus 2 into minus 3 into x. Okay, next this. A means 4, b means y. A square plus b square minus 2 into 4 into y. Okay, dear students. Now simplify it. 3 square value 9. X square as it is. 2 3s are minus 6x plus 6 square value 36 plus y square. 2 6 are 12 y equal to this 3 square value 9. X square as it is. Minus into minus plus 6x, okay, plus 4 square value 16, y square as it is, y square 2 4s are minus 8y. Okay, now similar term you can cancel each other. Plus 9 plus 9. If 9 will come to this side, then it will come to minus 9. 1 plus 9 minus 9 get cancel each other. X square, similar term will be cancelled. Y square, y square. So anything is remaining here? No. Okay. Now send this 6x to this side, will become minus 6x is converted to plus 6x. This 6x as it is. Now this 6x minus 6x, it will come to this side, it converted to plus 6x. Okay. Next, what is the remaining term here? Minus 8y is there. This side 12y is there. Minus 8y write down as it is in that position only. Send this 12y to this side, will become plus 12y. Next, 16 is there here. Write down plus 16. Okay. Plus 16 as it is. Now send this 36 to this side, will become minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, 6x plus 6x, how much will get? 12x. 12 minus 8, how much will get? Plus 4y. 36 minus 36 plus 16, you will get minus 20 equal to 0. See here 12, 4 and 20, all this term can be cancelled with the table 4. So divided by 4. You have to divide this expression with 4. 12 by x divided by 4 plus 4 by 4 divide by minus 20 divided by 4 equal to 0. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 2 1. 4 4 get cancelled each other. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then the expression is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relation between term x comma y and the term 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. At last it formed the expression 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay dear students, first you have to find the AB distance, then afterwards AC distance you have to find. After finding these two distance, we have to equate each other. Equation 1 equal to equation 2. Why we have to equate? Because in question only they have given that information that here the term point xy is exactly equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. For that sake we have to equate the equation 1 and equation 2. After that we have to substitute the equation 1 and equation 2. Square root get cancel each other. Then we have to simplify it. Here all terms are related to like a expression a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have to simplify according to this expression. Here a is a minus b whole square, 3 minus x whole square, 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x. Here this one 6 square plus y square minus 2 into 6 into y equal to this 3 square plus x square minus 2 into minus 3 into x plus 4 square plus y square minus 2 into 4 into y. Okay, these similar terms, that is plus 9 get cancel each other, plus x square. Okay, next y square it will get cancel each other. After cancelling all the terms, the remaining term is 12x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. We have to divide here, all terms are can be easily divisible by 4. So you have to divide this expression with 4. 4 ones are 4 3s are 2 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. Then the algebraic expression is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay dear students, I hope you understood this problem. Please like it, share and subscribe it.